let's talk about something very awesome. I've experimented with a lot of free traffic sources in the past, and recently I started to do paid traffic. I'm using Facebook ads at the moment. Pretty soon I'm going to go into Google ads. Google ads is super powerful if you can find cheap cost per click keywords, possibly just one keyword, and base your whole entire website / landing page around that. And when you make the landing page, Google's very strict. You have to make sure that your site looks like a site. It also has a blog and has contact info and has a nav bar and all that stuff, because they want, I don't know, professional sites, not landing pages collecting email leads. But anyways, I've been working with CPA offers, Nutra offers, which are actually illegal to do on Facebook, but I found a very tricky way to do that. And I'm making around a couple $1,000s a day doing this, and my ad cost is around between $100 – $500. So I'm making very good profit margins, and I'm just running Facebook ads, very easy Facebook ads. It's not hard at all. It's the trick behind it all. I'm using a specific landing page builder that's very cheap, not ClickFunnels, for this one business. Yeah, and I've done dropshipping in the past, like you guys know, but I stopped that for a while because I was testing some things. Didn't do as well because they were free traffic sources. But the thing about paid traffic sources, guys, you gotta know is it's targeted traffic. If you're targeting correctly, it's the exact people you want. And for your CPA offers. So yeah, I've been doing Nutra, beauty, health offers. I'm also doing sweepstake offers. And the trick behind it all is so clever, it's unbelievable. So here's the deal. What if every time you spent $1, you made $1 back? Like, that is what it's all about. But what if every time you spent $1, you made $10 back? If you listen to what I said, spending $100 to $500, making thousands a day, it varies obviously because they can't dish out the exact traffic. It's a numbers game, a certain percentage will convert and all that, but it's definitely around that range every day. It's very crazy. So I'm not just putting in $1 and making $2 back, I'm putting in $1 and making over $5 back. So it's very powerful. I've mastered Facebook ads. My cost per clicks, they're around 5 cents and lower with Facebook ads for affiliate offers. This is where it's at. I am telling you right now. The thing that I love about it, and I'll make a quick list of all the benefits of this is great. So the benefits, it's extremely passive. Once you have your campaign set up, super passive, easy to get started. The skills needed, you do need some skills, but I'm sure if you're watching this, you have skills, so no big deal. You can get results very fast. There's no fulfillment needed, which is so great, because in dropshipping, dude, you need to fulfill the orders, you need to talk to customers. The affiliate stuff you're promoting, it's just like they convert, you get a commission, and you spend $1, make $1, and as long as you're profitable, you just keep going and just scale up how much you're spending, and when you make your money back, just reinvest until you've spent or died down the campaign. You start a new campaign in a whole new niche, and then do it all over again for super cheap. And my methods with Facebook ads is totally different from what people talk about in dropshipping. It's insane. Cost per clicks for so cheap, it's insane. And the whole strategy behind the ads, it's like very, very unique. You aren't going to get any results if you don't do what I'm going to teach in this. It's like very unique. I've studied marketing for years, 8 hours a day. I'll be sharing my story in the future. It's pretty crazy. A couple thousand a day is pretty good, but it's like I want to share my story when I'm making a big business. After I made a big business. Very passive, very easy, very fast, no fulfillment. It's like the best thing. You got all this freedom, time freedom, everything. It's so passive. Like, you're making, the ads are running in your sleep, they're running when you're pooping, they're running when you're reading, they're running when you're studying and learning. The ads are running full time, making you money and hopefully converting if you pick the right offers. People always just promote one offer. This is the most epic way to make money ever. Super epic. You are awesome, and I will see you guys in the next video. Keep bringing value to you. You have a good day, my friend. Peace out.